welcome back to the last vlog from this Costa del Sol trip. Today we have Malaga. It's our last day here. We have our plane in the evening, but we still have time to visit the city. So it will be kind of a busy day, but hopefully we will be able to visit everything that's on my list. I will put it here. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Hopefully we can take a look at the beach as well. And well, I hope you will enjoy this last vlog and the other ones. By the way, I will link the previous vlogs in the description below. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in our next adventures.
After the checkout, we departed from the hotel. On our way, we stopped for some pictures at the cathedral, but it was so busy we could barely take any. Right near the Roman theater, there is a 3-meter high crystal pyramid. If you take a closer look, you can see the ruins of the ancient city. Alcazaba of Malaga, meaning fortification within a walled town in Arabic, is considered one of the most beautiful ones in Spain. It was built by the Muslims during their occupation of the peninsula during the Middle Ages, on the slopes of the Gibralfaro mountain, its position being a very strategic defense point of the city. Inside the Alcazaba there used to be the residential area and the palace of the governor, but in case of attack, the population was also allowed to live there. It's such a great place to explore if you're a history lover, plus you get some stunning views of the city. The Roman theater is just near the fortress. And you can also enjoy some nice live Spanish music. We then went to look for the Malaga letters, which are near the theater. Such an iconic place. I mean, you have to take a photo there. We got a pumpkin spice latte from Branchet, so delicious, and continued our way to Gibralfaro Castle. You are again blessed with incredible views. castle was built in 929 AD by Abdalrahman III, Caliph of Cordoba, on a former Phoenician enclosure and lighthouse, from which its name was derived, Arabic and Greek, meaning the rock of the lighthouse. The most visible remains of this monument are the solid ramparts which rise majestically from the dense woods of pine and eucalyptus. Inside the fortress you can find buildings and courtyards. You can also get a good view down into the La Malagueta bullring too. We even met a sweet little squirrel